Introduction. As the raindrops dance on your window pane, it's time to adjust your skincare routine to the whims of the weather. Rainy days bring a refreshing change, but can also pose challenges to maintaining healthy and glowing skin. In this blog, we'll unveil expert tips to help you navigate the rainy season while keeping your skin radiant and protected. Hydration is key. Rainy days might give the illusion of cool weather, but the humidity can lead to dehydration. Ensure your skincare routine is packed with hydrating elements like hyaluronic acid and glycerin. A lightweight, water-based moisturizer will lock in the moisture without making your skin feel heavy. Gentle cleansing. The increased humidity can lead to excess oil production. Opt for a gentle cleanser to remove impurities without stripping your skin of its natural oils. Cleansing twice a day helps maintain a clean canvas for your skincare products to work effectively. Sunscreen, rain or shine. Don't be fooled by the clouds. Harmful UV rays can penetrate even on overcast days. Incorporate a broad-spectrum sunscreen into your routine. Choose a water-resistant formula to ensure protection even if you get caught in a sudden downpour. Antioxidant power. Rainy weather can expose your skin to free radicals present in the environment. Include antioxidant-rich products in your routine, such as vitamin C serums, to combat oxidative stress and keep your skin looking youthful. Exfoliate regularly. The increased humidity can lead to a buildup of dead skin cells, making exfoliation crucial. Opt for a mild exfoliant to slough off dead skin, unclog pores, and allow your skincare products to penetrate more effectively. Minimal makeup. Embrace the natural look on rainy days. Heavy makeup can lead to clogged pores and may not withstand the unpredictable weather. Opt for a minimalistic approach, focusing on skincare that enhances your natural glow. Stay hydrated. Hydrating your skin from the inside is as important as external care. Drink plenty of water to maintain your skin's elasticity and flush out toxins. Herbal teas and infused water can add a refreshing twist to your hydration routine. Ditch hot showers. While a hot shower may seem tempting in the rainy season, it can strip your skin of essential oils, leading to dryness. Opt for lukewarm water and follow up with a moisturizer to seal in the hydration. Conclusion. Rainy days bring their own charm, and with the right skincare routine, you can enjoy them without compromising your skin's health. Embrace these tips to keep your skin glowing despite the drizzle. Remember, the key is adapting your skincare routine to the season, ensuring your skin is well nourished and protected, rain or shine. Follow us